Hello, welcome guys. How to how to set up the screen saver. So guys, very simple. First click on search for setting. So click on personalization. So guys, lock screen. Click on click on screen saver setting. No. No. Apply and OK. So guys, very simple method. Please like, share, subscribe. How to set up the screen saver. So thank you for watching.